Do you think heart problems only affect older people? Think again. I'm Dr. Lavanya, clinical cardiologist working in Omega hospitals. Here are the 5 signs which can be seen in the younger people also. Number 1 is constant tiredness even after rest could mean poor circulation. Number 2 was struggling to breathing during the normal activities also. Number 3 was tightness, pressure, burning in the chest is a warning sign. Number 4 was if your heartbeat was raises and skips beats often, this may be the single one to your heart not pumping effectively. If you are not sure about your signs and symptoms, you can consult at Omega Hospitals, Surat.